Masquera say, Maria Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikitanga kukuya pano no channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garonga subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Maria Zimbabwe takuigirai, nyari kupisa, nyari kunetsa, nyaya yaburitswa. Na ZANU PF spokesperson wa Christopher Mutsvangwa, ava vabuda vachiblasta va runesu blessed Geza Zimbabwe. There is an official statement yavapa muri Zimbabwe munyaya yaburitswa nedi newsworks along with a letter inge kabuditswa na Christopher Mutsvangwa vabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti ZANU PF has described fearless war veterans top Kade blessed Runesu Geza's vicious attack on President Mnangagwa as outlandish, treasonous and egregious as the proxy war between the President and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga over the explosive succession power struggle intensifies. In a statement, ZANU PF spokesperson says the ruling party is seized and dealing with the issue of Geza and war veterans who have openly revolted and declared war on Mnangagwa, saying he must go because he wants an unacceptable third term when he has dismally failed. War veterans say Mnangagwa's rule is characterized by brazen nepotism, economic mismanagement, corruption, and incompetence. The news works along with a letter and Pakuna Mutsvangwa ingekanyorwa iyo ekanzi rogue utterances by Geza. The outlandish and treasonable ranting of errant Runesu Geza offended the hallowed tenets of party discipline for a member of the Central Committee. They also involved reckless attempts to usurp the credentials of four veterans entities in good standing with ZANU PF, the party of the Permanent Zimbabwe Revolution. The relevant party organs of organization and discipline are currently seized with this contravention as it is holistically and expeditiously handled and dispensed with. The Department of Information assures the party membership of absolute loyalty of the rank and file supporters of President Mnangagwa, and that they retain full confidence of all full and legal implementation of Resolution Number 1 of the October 2024 Bulawayo Conference under the aegis of the 2030 Constitution of Zimbabwe. Comradely Christopher Mutsvangwa ndo statement aburitwa na va Christopher Mutsvangwa muri Zimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoionawo sei nyaya iyi hazvinaomera mushe. ZANU PF yatenderedzwa musoro na vageza vakabuda vachitaura vachiti vaMnangagwa should resign muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga pane nyaya netsawo vaziyambi vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti vageza varikufana kudzingwa mupati, varikufana kuexpelwa mupati. Vakabuda zvakare vachitereta navageza vakataura ivo vachiti vageza is a murderer hanzi and the police yakufana kuva investigator muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakaburitswa neHarare vachitaura ivo vachiti a senior ZANU PF official has accused war veteran Blessed Geza of murder, escalating tensions within the ruling party. Justice Minister Ziyambi has now ordered the police to investigate the case, linking it to Geza's outspoken opposition to President Mnangagwa's leadership, and this calls for the president to step down immediately. Geza, a prominent war veteran and former ZANU PF Central Committee member, following his recent expulsion, has been at the forefront of opposing Mnangagwa's bid to extend his presidency beyond 2028. Leading a group of four veterans, he has openly criticized the president's leadership, calling him unfit to run this country and demanding his immediate resignation. His vocal stance has drawn the attention of Mnangagwa supporters, sparking speculation that the latest allegations could be politically motivated. ZimLive reports that Ziyambi, who is also ZANU PF chairman for Mashonaland West, made the explosive allegations during a party meeting. He claimed that Geza had previously committed murder at his homestead and that the case had not been properly investigated. In the past, he murdered someone at his homestead and the case was not thoroughly investigated. Ziyambi alleged, if you murder someone, the case does not just disappear. We are going to tell Police Commissioner Matamba to investigate. Sources close to the matter claim the made accusation dates back several years but was never pursued aggressively by law enforcement. Some within ZANU PF believe Geza was shielded due to his influential position within the party and his strong connections to the war veterans movement. However, his recent fallout with Mnangagwa's faction has seemingly reopened the case, raising questions about the timing of the renewed investigations. Meanwhile, ZANU PF in Masvingo province has suspended 2 MPs, Benjamin Gutu East and Roy Bila Chiredi North, accusing them of feigning factionalism. Their suspensions come amid a fierce power struggle within the ruling party. Masvingo ZANU PF chairperson Robson Mavinyengwa confirmed the suspensions. Ganiwa held a secret meeting at his homestead with members from outside his constituency without informing district and provincial leadership structures, Mavinyengwa said. Bila, who was removed as Deputy Industry and Commerce Minister in November 2023, was also present at the meeting. The 2 lawmakers have been barred from all party activities and their cases have been referred to ZANU PF's National Disciplinary Committee, chaired by Party National Chairperson Opa Muchinguri. Mavinyengwa warned that no one was above the law. No one is bigger than the party. The disciplinary process will be followed through regardless of one's position. The suspensions and murder allegations highlight widening cracks within ZANU PF. The party is divided over an attempt to extend Mnangagwa's term beyond 2028, a move that has been met with opposition from a faction of ZANU PF allegedly linking Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Masvingo, a key stronghold for Mnangagwa, is now seeing deep divisions among senior party figures. Political analysts say the infighting mirrors events that led to the 2017 military coup, which saw Chiwenga oust Robert Mugabe before installing Mnangagwa as leader. With accusations of murder now surfacing and police set to investigate, the battle within ZANU PF is far from over. It's now Geza versus ZANU PF. 2 days wa kufunga pamsoro. Penya iyi mu comment section.
Last week na Mnangagwa ilikuwa mumasai Zosuke shatoka na uko mchimba. Alafu tumegoroma wa veterans. Achimba kumashi west. Kuchenji. Alafu Geza. Unaota unataka kutoka mtuka bilioni. Ini kusachane ni unsanga wa ZANU millions. Akaunga na niwani wa ZANU. Tunati pasina ya Geza. Ena katokanga mchaya chani. Inengo ya senda wa konuti. Okani yako ya mtuka. Isusena chane ni ya province Zimbabwe yose. Sakaso mtuka. Tanila kuwamusha kwa kutana mumu. Ashituka mtunamiri wenyika. Mwaba makanyarara zote. Isukuna kumiglenzi. To support national West power. Chano mtinga. Baba watu mtanatarishi. Mawa veterans. Naka kuna machena. Kuro na wa veterans. Kuna wa veterans. Mnatuka comrades. Kaneno tutunamiri wenyika president. Wenyika. Inataka mimi ya province kueleza kwa makua wao chama ni yeye kuti pasina Geza ana kufanya na kasimuere ana kufanya na Chamisa jona kunenu kusoma na wao msanga jana pondo wa maila. Our leadership is very solid. Baba Mnangagwa is president. Chulishula shete. Why unashika kuya kuzo kubalita ZANU PF? anotaurira izvorano kuti vande panyanga iyo ndau yakananyanga kwazvo nokuchembera ikoko kwakiko pasina gezi